Welcome to my podcast. So today I will answer two questions which are what comes to your mind when you hear the term elderly and do you worry about getting old? So first, for me the term elderly generally refers to older adults, typically those aged 65 and above. This stage of life often involves retirement and adapting to changes in health. Many elderly individuals may experience increased reliance on others for daily activities. Despite these challenges, they are often valued for their wisdom and accumulated life experience. This period can also offer new opportunities for hobbies, community involvement, and other pursuits. Second is, do you worry about getting old? For me, no, because it is a part of our life as humans, and getting old is normal and a part of our experience in life. But sometimes I get sad of the thought that someday I will get older because it means that I would forget some memories of my younger self, and getting old also means that I would lose my parents due to their old age. So for me, I don't really worry about getting older, but I worry that I would experience extreme sadness as I get older.